truck figured out, man, a connection came loose, and that was the issue. So everything back here working again. Did that too, man. All of 4 hours. 4 hours and probably like 20 minutes. I think we had like 5:40. So 5:40. Did all that. It's 10:04. I'm done for the day. About to get all this stuff back in here. Once they get done, clean this gun, take all this tape off, and park this car. So it's a whole bunch of wood. I'm so nervous to do a real paint job, man. Boy, painting the light. Hey, Tweet G told me I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to paint the light. Cause bull's gonna be everywhere. They trying. Wish somebody would try with me. I'll be a beast right now. All them heavy grind marks. Like just putty it up. There's a lot of that stuff ain't gonna come out. Make sure these good. If they not, I got some more at the house. Some steam vents. Other than that, I'm gonna let this gasket spray dry for a sec while I unbolt a little bit of this stuff down here so I can get this wiring started for the remote start. But make sure you blow all your holes out. Make sure you get it clean as you can. And then, you should be good from there. But it should take me like 10 minutes to get the harness back on, 10-15 minutes. Everything with the coolant still set on it. I literally just took them off. Straight the heads clean, and that was it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start that wiring stuff. Oh, man. What's up, y'all? So I got mine back running, everything's good. I just gotta make sure I got oil pressure, which I believe I do. But give y'all a rundown. 350, man. Took it apart, seen that the 3 main bearings in the middle all spun. Took it to the machine shop. The guy said the block is savable, but for the price, it's not worth it because 350 Vortex, man, you can find them. He said you can find them all there at the junkyard, and that is true. You can. So he said don't even try to do this with the block, and then the crank is trash. So since all the 3 mains are spun, all these lights, it's out, man. So yeah, that's that. So even if I was to say the block, man, I can't say the crank. See, I really need a table, man, a work table. Coming soon, man, next 2 months. Kind of excited, can't wait to get down to Georgia. But anyway, I found a house that we possibly might get. I want to speak about it. I don't want to get my hopes up because every time I do it, it's gone. Boom, poof, gone. But hopefully it all works out. All right, I got the alarm set up. I got all the fuses in. So I snatched this out of the car just like this. I went through it. I pulled off all the extra stuff, the bypass module. So this is an alarm remote start. Only thing I need off this, like everything is pre-wired. I just disconnected from everywhere it went. I snipped these down. These was the remote start controls. So I got the one that go to the car, the one that go where these both starter wires, the green and purple. Pink's a 12-volt switch, orange accessory, red power, 1 ground wire. These 2 wires are power and ground for the unlock and lock for this relay right here. And this is the power and ground for the alarm speaker thing. I forgot the name of a lot of this stuff, man. I ain't did this stuff so long. Like a lot of this stuff I ain't did so long. But let me find it real quick. All right, for this, that was red and black for this. I I believe this brown wire was break. I'm not too sure, man. Like, I got the manual over there, but obviously going off memory for most of this stuff, and everything else, just grab the manual for it. So it's the tack wire right here. I already told y'all what these was, but I'm about to go ahead and put it in. Should take me about 35-40 minutes. Put only got like 8 connections. Power windows. I mean, I'm putting power windows and power locks. Power windows on the front, and then power locks on the front and back. But I ain't too worried about that right now. I'll hook that up later. So that's 4 wires that I don't need to hook up right now. But yeah, this remote start stuff, tack, ground, brake light switch, parking lights. And that should be it, man. All right, man. I'm set. I got a heat shrink, 2 wires, 2 for the starter. Well, let me give y'all a little rundown of the phone. Shining. All that brown is rust water that I had let dry now. But I'm saying that floor down and paint it. But this the only thing ain't hook up. This is power and ground for the lock and unlock relay, and then this is all gray up there. That is for the hood pin. So basically, if your hood ever pop when you arm the car, as soon as the hood pop open, the alarm will go off. That's what that do. So I don't have a hood pin. I guess I didn't take it off the car, but it's a cheap thing I can buy. Literally that 1 wire hooked up to it, and so it's a switch. So as soon as the trunk open, hood open, cut on. So aux, I'm gonna set up a trunk release with the button that goes in driver. Glove box, but I can't find my relay, so I'll do that another time. Let's see. So I did the door triggers. Make sure it's working. Lock. See if it go off. Nope. Guess I didn't do the right one. Let me see what I didn't do right. Hold on, give me a second. All right, man. So the door trigger, something up with it. Like, all right, look, armed. I tested it for power, man. Like when you open the door, I get my colors. So let me show y'all here. Boom. So it's getting power. This wire is getting power, but I guess it's not enough. I just touch with the power. So everything with the module is good. And I put it on the correct wire. It's power wire. All right, now I'm trying to show y'all something else. Let's see. The remote start is not working. I gotta figure this out. Yeah, it's connected to my tack wire. Yeah, that's something I gotta figure out. May have to go in the computer settings. But yeah, it's not working. So I'm just gonna press remote start and show y'all that the brake kill switch is working too. We just hit the brake, everything cut off, back dead. But yeah, man, I thought that would have worked. But I'm gonna look into it, see what I need. And so yeah, so I got hood pin, this to figure out, and power for the relay. But other than that, man, alarm's on. Yep. Also, big thanks to Cat Loco for the hood. I couldn't find one, especially for a good price around here. I'm getting robbed around where I'm at. Man, they want 175, 150. I got 2 prices now, 175, 150 for it. I was like, dang, for a hood? Y'all ain't gonna even take off. I still got to do work, but whatever, man. Well, I got it now. Thanks to LS Chevy Rider, 254 that is, on the hood hinges. I actually just primed them, and I couldn't find my paint, so. Can't find stuff is like the new me again, because I was getting my stuff together. But anyway, I guess I gotta find a bypass module for this computer. I was thinking like, man, if it's already got a no serial starting it should start, right? But nope, as we see. But that's it, man. I'm out. I guess I'll give y'all a follow up on it.